If you were good at editing, and even if you liked it, I'm curious if you would still specialize. Why or why not?
Yeah. And I think there's a trade-offs for every business. And it's a business, whether you're making money or it's a hobby, but like the concept of how you run things and how you invest your time, not just spend your time, right? It's something I got from another great podcast is that lesson that you are investing to build to the next thing, to build to the next episode, to build to the next season, to build whatever else you want in your dreams. You can't do that trade-off unless you're trading off eating, sleeping, like you start to run out of things. And why not give someone else an opportunity that doesn't want to be in front of the mic, that wants to learn the craft and be the production person or edit? There's so many things behind the scenes that can be done, not just even editing, right? That can help you grow your show. Why not? Right? It really is beneficial to you, and do that trade-off. Get back to, hey, I got to see my family. I got to go for a run, whatever the things are. They don't even have to be podcasting.
Yeah. Well, do you, out of curiosity, now that you have an intern, how is it, a paid intern, an unpaid intern? Like how much, I guess what the listener wants to know is how much money is she spending to get her podcast episodes edited?
Yeah. And that really varies too with what you're doing with your business. I have an overall intern plan for my business because I focus on those trying to get some work experience that maybe have mostly schooling experience. I have a program with a company called Acadium where I book for an entire year. I get interns every quarter. They come do my social media, they work on my website, and then I add it in, having them do the podcast. So it's a great process because they help screen and interview the candidates. They also continue to give them certifications as they finish each internship. And then those people go on to get jobs. Now, if you really like your intern, like I did, then you keep them on board and you get to continue to build that relationship with them. Or, they go on to the next thing and get another internship or another more permanent job. So for me, it's been fantastic and a better process than trying to go through, let's say, Fiverr or Upworks or some of those contract ones, because you get mixed results. Yeah, you can read reviews and things. You're probably going to get a higher quality because they're hopefully experienced in what they're doing, but you're paying for it. So it's all about that. For me, first-time podcaster, I'm learning, they're learning. I'm totally fine with a few mistakes along the way. And then we continue to improve and we both grow together.
So it's free then?
So the intern is free through Acadium. I pay Acadium for the service of finding the interns.
Okay. How much is that? And I want to put Acadium in the show notes. So if you don't mind spelling it out for us real fast.
Yeah. Acadium.
Okay. Got it. And then, so how much is the service to get interns?
I can't remember at this point because I paid at the beginning of the year, but it wasn't, it's nominal for what you're getting, and it's way cheaper than, doing, say, Fiverr or something, even for like a couple of episodes. So.
And then you mentioned one other thing. You mentioned that if you like your intern, like I did, you can keep them on. And I think you said like I did. So does that mean like that you had her or him for free for 3 months and then you decided to start paying them? Or can you tell us how that worked?
Yeah. So then you can convert them and have them work for your business. And again, that's a negotiation between you and the person and where they're at in their career and schooling and things like that. So yeah, I had my editing intern come on for me part-time. He still has other jobs that he works, but he's interested in this enough that it again contributes to his professional career as a musician.